What's up guys, I'm Kenny and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about installing load resistors on my turn signals. If you watched my last video, I put in a new tail light and it turns out we had hyper flashing. I'll show you here. So I reached out to them and they sent me a kit with, I think they are 50 watt, 60 ohms, with 2 resistors. And then a bunch of little quick disconnects. You just put the wires in and then you mash that down and it closes. I'll show you how to install this. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So first off, I need to pull the taillights and figure out which wires I need to install it in, which according to Oxilam's website says you need to wire them parallel to the light. So you wire one to the signal and then one to the ground. So I looked up and found a wiring diagram for the Trailblazer. I'll show that now. You can pause it and look at it. So now we know which color wires to look for. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I got the harness out. I untaped them that way I could see the wires and wired up. And see, I got both of them done. So I was looking at the wiring diagram. This dark blue here is the signal input for your right hand side, and then of course your black is going to be your ground. So we want to wire those in parallel. And then I was looking at the diagram for the left hand side, the driver's side, and there's 2 light blues and it didn't specify which one. So I used a meter and I was testing it, and this light blue, the second from the right, which is actually in the same location on the other side too, is the one you want to use. So we're going to wire them up to this one and the ground parallel, both sides, and we'll see how that changes. So here we go. Alright guys, so I got it all wired up. I put zip ties to tie it to the harness. I read somewhere that you're supposed to like mount it somewhere so it'll disperse heat, but I'm just going to do it like this, and that way it'll sit down in there when I plug it in. So now I'm going to plug in this light and try it, and then go from there. So let's stay grimy. Just like that, a normal flash. Well, now we'll do the other side. I'm not going to bore you with that, and then I'll bring you back. Alright guys, I got that one hooked up, working. Lights put back in. I'll try this one again. So there we have it. We got them both working. Well guys, there you have it. We got the new load resistors installed. If you're having an issue with hyper flashing, go check out Oxilam and get their load resistors. If you use my code GRIMETIMEGARAGE, it'll save you 20% off. And don't forget to like the video and click that subscribe button, that way you can join the team. And I'll see you next time. Bye.